Today, the 17th of February 2021, FII bought for 1008 crores and DII sold for minus 1283 crores. In past 5 days, FII bought for 4293 crores and DII sold for minus 5197 crores. This month, February 2021, FII bought for 22,853 crores and DII sold for minus 14,246 crores. In past 5 months, FII bought for 1,59,912 crores and DII sold for minus 1,29,148 crores. Three years trend on how FII and DII invested in cash market. All datas are in crore rupees. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII index options and FII future investments are. All datas are in crore rupees.